So guys, in this video I'm gonna share you a very unique method. This video is completely new. If you have a blogging website, you can use this immediately. Okay, but I would suggest you please make a blog like this, a well organized blog, and you can also turn traffic like this. See, this is my only one site traffic, 2.323k. So the traffic source is very simple, like YouTube, hit for hit, Blogger, Google, everywhere I'm getting traffic. So I hope you will also get this traffic like using my way. And if you don't have properly set up your blog, I'm sharing you a video. In this video, okay, I will share my video in the comment section. In this video you will understand completely how to set up the ads properly, and using that method you can properly set up your ads in Blogger. I hope you got my point. Now see what a proper blogging site look like. It's very important. First, download this theme. It will be very helpful for you. You can use this theme. This is completely my theme. Okay, another thing, see, if I click on a block of my blog site, one ad already clicked. This is now two ad. Okay, so if I click on a block, already shown two ads. How precisely? I just attached all things in here. Now if I click on home button, see, another ad is showing. Okay, and say if I click on again home button, another ad is showing. And if I click on third time, now home button is bringing the main content page. But how many ad? See, 1 2 3 4 5, already 5 click I just made, but this is not good. A self click is not good, so avoid this. So today website is blogclicker.com. in this site you just simply log in or sign up here, and if you don't have account, simply use a Gmail. They will send you user ID and password in your Gmail. Then you can sign up here, log in here, and then click on manage blog, and see there is a section add blog. So you can add your blog in here. Any kind of blog you can add here. After that, there is option like how many coins you want to set. So you can set it manually, all coin, or you can just automate it. So when you automate it, you don't have to worry about anything. It's like it will work automatically. So both setting have there, and the point system is like not limited, or it's automatic. So how much you earn coin, that much you will spend for traffic. Okay, so click on account and see serve member block. That's the main point. This is actually what's going on here is everyone sharing their website, you are viewing their website, their ad, same things, they will see your website, they will see your blog site. But if you use $10 script in your blog, they will see also direct link ad site. So don't forget to use $10 script. And if you don't know how to use $10 script, in my previous almost every video I just share how to use $10 script, how to use autoclick script. Everything is here. Also I will share a video to use all of this script precisely in your site. That's it. And the main thing is, see, good type of website getting traffic from this type of website. So it's depend on you how much you are taking traffic from the site. Are you spamming or not? Like if you do this for whole day, it will not good. Adsterra will track you like why you are getting so much traffic from this type of site. So it's better use YouTube, Hit for Hit, Views, Blogger, so many website I already shared. I will comment those, I will pin those link in comment section. You can get the link also here. So guys, that's it for today. I'm making this little video just because if I get something update, I just definitely I try to share with you. That's actually the main things. Thank you guys, and don't forget to support me. If you support me, I will make another types of web video. Thank you guys.